There, Cam here from Training Tilt. Hey, quite often coaches ask me whether we have a tool that enables like one-on-one scheduling for if you want to do a one-on-one session with an athlete or just take calendar bookings, and we don't. And eventually we will build that in, but it's actually a pretty big feature, and it's actually there's a lot of platforms out there that only focus on that, which demonstrates how tricky of a thing it is to build. So I just came across a lifetime deal on a piece of software that looks really nice. So I've been testing it out, and I'll probably start using it, replace my Calendly account, for which I use for taking demo bookings and stuff. So basically, you get an account, and you can connect up your calendars, so your Google account, or your Outlook account, and it supports a few other integrations as well. So it'll actually read from your calendar and then block out anything that you've already got blocked on your calendar. So basically, you'll be able to send a link or embed it on your site, and you can easily embed it inside your Training Tilt site as well, or on any website. And you can have multiple different booking types as well. So you might have some from your one-on-one clients, you might have some for interviewing new clients, and then you can set the availability on each of those as well. So it's just a really easy way to get your customers or potential customers to book time with you. So and then you can do a bunch of customization. So look here, see, you can set up all of your colors and stuff here. So I've got it set up as blue there. And if we go back to meeting types again, so you can have multiple meeting types. I've just got one at the moment. And then you can, so if we go and edit this meeting type, so this will be for my one-on-one demos, you set the duration of the meeting, so 15 minutes, and then you can create like a URL, so you can configure what the end of the URL is. So I might call that like demo or something like that. Location, and you can, which is cool, you can actually integrate your Zoom account into this as well. So then that'll automatically generate like the links to the Zoom call. And then set your own time zone, which is important. And then you can set availability, so you can determine, this is on top of it reading your existing calendar. It'll always just block out what you've already got booked anyway. But this is just saying you can set up your own slots on different days that you want to make available in this event type. So I've gone through and done that there. And then if we go back, close that edit down, and then we can click on this little view thing here, and then this will show us what it'll look like to the end user. So it's a really nice, clean user interface that makes it really simple. It doesn't show a calendar, confusing calendar or anything like that. It's got a description there, and then it shows the days, grays out anything that's not available. So my next free spot is on the 27th of January. The great thing about this is it shows it in the visitor's time zone. So it automatically converts it, so you don't need to worry about whether going back and forth, converting time zones and figuring out what time is what. So it does that automatically, and then you can just book a slot, and then I can enter my name and email address and schedule that meeting. And you can also create custom fields in this here. So if you wanted to collect some information, you know what training devices they use, do they have a power meter, all of that sort of information that you want to have at your fingertips when you actually have the call can all be collected here, and then it'll end up in the meeting booking on your calendar, which is great. So, and then you can embed it. So you can embed this directly, it gives you the code here. So you can just go into, if you've got a Training Tilt site, then you can just go in and paste this into like a custom page and then have it appear in your menu. Or you can do the same if you've got any type of website as well. So the instructions for that will all be different depending on your website host. But that's really simple. And if you do get stuck, if you do decide to use this platform, if you get stuck, I can easily help you with this. So just let me know. Yep, and then it shows a list of all of your haven't got any meetings booked yet, but it'll show like a list of all your upcoming meetings, anything cancelled, and a list of all the ones you've had in the past if you want to reference that. On top of that, it will show up in your calendar as well that you've linked it to. So I've linked it to my Google Suite, so my Gmail inbox. And yeah, so hopefully that helps. I've really only done this because I get so many questions about whether we do one-on-one bookings inside Training Tilt, and we don't, and I always suggest other platforms, but this is a really great deal. It's only $49 for a lifetime subscription to it. So, I mean, that's a pretty great deal. And they've got a bunch of features coming up as well. So soon you'll be able to actually take payments as part of a calendar booking. So you could have paid, one-on-ones where they actually have to pay at the time they book, and that all integrate with Stripe. And that's the same payment gateway we use at Training Tilt. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'm going to put the link down below or up above. If it's a social post, it'll be above. If it's on my blog, you're looking at this on my blog, it'll be underneath. Anyway, so have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Cheers.